Hi guys, see if you can do this geometry puzzle. First I'll label what we know. Hexagons, regular hexagons have angles of 120 degrees. So does this big hexagon. Now the triangles and the edge of the hexagon make a straight line. And so 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. And this applies for the other side of the triangle as well. So all of these triangles are equilateral. Next, we can split this hexagon inside into 6 equilateral triangles, like so. We know that they're equilateral and we know that they're congruent to the red triangles because the red triangles and the white triangles share an edge and they have the same angles, so that makes them congruent. So now that we know all 12 of these triangles are congruent, it just so turns out that these triangles at the edge have the same area as every other one of these triangles. I'll explain why at the end of the video. Now we know the 18 triangles making up this big hexagon all have the same area. So 18t is 216, and the small hexagon which is a shaded area has exactly 6 of these triangles. So the area of the shaded region is 72. How do these two triangles have the same area? Well, the first triangle is an isosceles one and has angles 120, 30 and 30. The second one is an equilateral triangle. So the first way, which I don't really prefer, is to use the sine rule, and we know that these two sides are shared by the equilateral triangle and the isosceles triangle, so all of these sides are x. Now the sine rule goes like this, and since the sine of 120 is the same as the sine of a 60, these two triangles have the same area. But there's actually a much simpler way to attempt this problem. We split this triangle down in the middle to make 2 right angle triangles. And if we take this triangle and rotate it and place it underneath this triangle, we get an angle of 60 degrees and another angle of 60 degrees and another angle of 60 degrees, which is an equilateral triangle, and it has sides of x and x. Since it's an equilateral triangle, the last side has to be x. So now we can confirm that these two triangles are the same, and so these two triangles have the same area. If you found that question too easy, you can go to the Senior Maths Challenge website and look at all the questions there, or you can go to my channel and try a harder question. Thanks for watching.